Hey Zandini, what are you doing?
I've just gotten all these video messages.
Well, what are they?
I'm unsure.
We'll play one.
Hey Xander, when are you gonna start making Xander's Things Thursdays again? I really miss those shows, so think about it. Do it again, 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 do it again.
Well, that's interesting.
But there's another one.
We'll play that one.
It's been a void in my life for over a year now. Every Thursday I would look forward to something, and I can't because there's no more Xander Thursdays. Please, Xander, come back. Come back to us. We need Xander's Things Thursday. Please.
Okay.
Don't understand, but there's another one.
We'll play that one.
Thursdays have been so boring lately. What was it we used to do on Thursdays? Xander, you have to come back. We need you. Thursdays need you.
Gosh, there's
Yeah,
another
yeah,
one.
you got another one. Do it again.
Gosh.
Xander, what's up, buddy? It was so awesome seeing you at IRF. Congrats on the new channel. I was super excited to hear how well you're doing with that, but I forgot to tell you, I'm bummed that there hasn't been any Xander Thing Thursdays lately. There's like a huge hole in my Thursday where Xander's Thing Thursdays used to be. And Zach and I used to watch it religiously. We miss it. I hope you're still interested in making some more of them, because it's just super awesome to see how creative you can be. And I love that you're sharing it with the rest of the community, because really there's no other kids your age that are doing this, and there need to be more. So anyway, I hope you can bring it back. You're doing an awesome job no matter what. It was cool seeing you, and I can't wait to see you again soon.
Look, you got two more. Play both of those.
This is insanity.
I need to watch something on YouTube. Let me see. No. I've seen all that before. Xander Thing Thursday. Let me check. There's no new ones. Hey, Xander. You need to start doing Xander Thing Thursday again. Get on it.
And that is all there is to it. Now it's Benchy time. Before Benchy time, it's Chris's break time. Hey, it's Thursday. Xander's video should be out. Oh, wait. They don't do that anymore. I wish they'd bring back Xander's Thing Thursday. Well, guess I might as well get back to work.
That was crazy.
Wow. And they're all coming in at the same... You got another one.
Oh my gosh.
Hello, Xander. I know you're watching this right now. You can see me.
And I can see you. Hey, are you serious? I don't have a face blur. Like, my voice is normal now. Like, what is going?
We ran out of budget.
We ran out of budget.
Yeah, that's correct.
When you ran out of budget?
No funds for a budget.
It was like 3 seconds of I'm trying to be mysterious here. Okay. I mean, he can see me now. He can see me now. Fine, Xander. I need you to know that you need to do Xander's Thing Thursdays again, because we all miss you. And I'm glad your video game stuff is going great. That's cool. But we all miss you and your Xander's Thing Thursdays. And please come back and start doing those again, because you just need to.
Truly, that has to be the end of it.
Yeah, maybe. Oh my gosh, look who that one's from. You got to play that one.
Hey, Sean. What are you doing?
Oh, hi. I'm plugging in some lights.
So we had a thing. We were thinking, Sean and I both. We were thinking that it would be awfully great, really great if Xander restarted Xander's Thing Thursday. I think it brings life to humanity. I think it's a positive force within the universe.
Absolutely, yeah.
It's great when Xander shows off the things that he makes or prints.
I think it's really cool that he makes stuff. That's awesome.
Yeah, I met him at IRF again.
Yeah, we did.
I've seen him grow up. He's such a good boy. All right, Xander.
It's a pleasure to be around.
Xander, bring back Xander's Thing Thursday, please, for Sean.
Please do.
For myself, for us. That'd be awesome. High five.
High five.
Any more?
I don't think so, but like honestly, what the heck?
I have no idea, but you know what? That's a decision that you have to make.
I guess I'm back, bitch.
Xander's Thing Thursday, hey, bringing 3D printed things every single Thursday. It's Xander's Thing Thursday, yeah, Xander's Thing Thursday.
Man, I miss that theme song.
Xander, get back to it!
I'm sorry. So this is the fire hydrant no support screw lid by rbutram on Thingiverse. There'll be a link to it in the description below. There are two different ways you can print this, with the screw-on lid or the push-on lid. I decided to do a screw-on lid. Don't know why. I'm weird like that. So you print the caps separately from the body so that you can print the caps in a different color. I hear you asking yourself, why didn't I glue this on film? I did, but the audio quality was terrible, and being that I used 3D Gloop to glue the caps to the body, I couldn't take it apart, so I printed another one. So the body was printed in Fire Engine Red Pro PLA 3D Fuel on the Creality CR10 S Pro. God, that's a mouthful. With a 220-degree nozzle, a 60-degree bed, and a 0.2 layer height. These silver parts were printed in Prusa Silver on the AM8 with a 215-degree nozzle, a 60-degree bed, and a 0.2 layer height. And now it's time to put this thing together using some 3D Gloop. I honestly have a problem with putting too much Gloop on things, so I'm going to get some help. Dad?
Just a little drop cloth to keep the Gloop off the table. The Gloop won't stick to the table because it's not PLA, but we don't want to make a mess. So, alright, so do we then take the Gloop and put it inside here?
Preferably not, because
No,
I want
'cause
my candy.
That's a screw-on lid. Alright, so we'll start with the small one here.
You want me to hold it?
Sure, so it doesn't roll away. And I'm just going to put some Gloop around on the raised portion.
Seems like a lot of Gloop.
There's a lot of Gloop. Don't breathe too deeply though. This stuff will make you see colors see sounds and hear colors.
Will it only be purple or just...
Yes, it will make you only see purple.
That honestly seems cool, so... No.
Well, I'm just putting a little pressure on it for a few seconds. That should be enough to get it set. And then let's do this side. So I learned a little something about Gloop. If you're ever glooping something together and you want to keep the Gloop off of a certain surface, you can put Vaseline on it. And the Gloop will not stick to where it's Vaseline. I got the Vaseline.
They're going to make a special kind of Gloop now just to make it not like stick to Vaseline.
No, it doesn't stick to Vaseline.
I know, but
and I learned that from the Andrew.
They're going to make a special Gloop so that it does stick to the Vaseline.
No, it
yes.
was their tip that they gave me.
Oh, but still, it'd be
All
funny.
right, and then we'll do the big one.
Yeah.
This one's going to need a lot more Gloop. Because it's a 200% print, so it needs 200% more Gloop.
And where can you get this Gloop?
That would be 3dgloop.com.
That sounds amazing.
The Andrews are awesome.
Oh no.
You line it up?
I thought I did. Oh no.
Alright, be a little bit gentle with it until it sets.
Can I throw it? Does that
But
mean I
it's
can
all-
throw it?
It's all yours, and you can put the cap on now.
Yeah, I'm gonna put the cap on now. I think it's on. At first, I was excited to put candy in this one, but now I am really excited to put candy in this one. It is a really cool model, and thank you rbutram for designing it and putting it on Thingiverse. This will be all for this week's episode of Xander's Thing Thursday. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe and ring the bell for notifications. A thumbs up will also be very appreciated as well. Until next week, as always, print on. I guess I'm back, bitten by the 3D printing bug. Hey everybody, so if a fire hydrant has H2O on the inside, what does it have on the outside? K9P? K9P. Oh!